cannot remain in Jesus.
അപ്പോൾ കോസ്മിക് ഫെയ്ത്തിൽ കൂടെ അച്ഛൻ സംസാരിച്ചത് അല്ല ചില മനുഷ്യരുണ്ടല്ലോ നിത്യേറിയും ചിന്ത ഇത് ക്രിസ്ത്യാനിയുടെ മാത്രം ദൈവമാണ് അങ്ങനല്ല ഇത് എല്ലാവരുടെയും
എടുക്കാൻ അച്ഛൻ ശ്രമിച്ചത് മൊത്തം എന്നാൽ ഇവിടെ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് വന്നിട്ട് പ്രസംഗിക്കാൻ ഭയങ്കര എളുപ്പമാണ്.
short presentation. Each group would maximum 3 minutes. Now, the groups of the scholar.
And I'm here to represent Amethyst with 30 members. Following the discussions why poverty actually occurred in our day-to-day society, in spite of the knowledge that such actions are foreign. Because if only because of his fallout only he was able to regret for his mistake and come back to his father. But if he had success in his investments, then he would never have regretted of his wrongdoings.
Yes, I can live that way. You just have one way to live. That is the way of Christ. That is the way that you have to live. But then what takes you back? What asks you to step back? That no, I cannot do. The conclusions that we came up, the conflicts that we faced, was just because we feel that we are left alone in this worldly attraction today.
Secret Human Group. One of the major topics that we discussed in our group was major confusions the youth face. Today is a changing world. It is a thin line between what's good and what's bad. Should we do this? Should we do that? Should not do that?
Three main points which our group discussed. First, we talked about success. Second, speed of craving. And third, it was a general question. Let's start with the very first thing, which is success. We started off to identify whether success is quantitative or whether it is qualitative.
The conclusion that we got from this was there are two sides of the coin. While we maintain the speed, we also have to retain our values.
One thing I will say, challenges. We are facing to be Christian in our walks of life. This is one of the main problems in our day-to-day life. And another question will come up is, we are living in a society who are not at all interested to know their purpose of life.
Representing myself to a Hazelnut. We have discussed so far and we have get valid points about that. What are the challenges faced by a missionary? Now at presently we are facing, in our mission we are facing many challenges.
Discuss your life and included you facing the പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട രണ്ട് ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ വേർ ആർ യു ആൻഡ് വേർ ഇസ് യുവർ ബൈബിളിലെ ഏറ്റവും കാതലായിട്ടുള്ള രണ്ട് ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഞാൻ എവിടെയാണ് എന്റെ സഹോദരൻ എവിടെയാണ് ഈ രണ്ട് ചോദ്യങ്ങൾക്ക് മനുഷ്യന് ഉത്തരം